Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're tonight's entertainment. I only have one question. Where's my crypto? Hear that? That's my snake. She's happy because there was a Bitcoin rally for a couple days now, and it hasn't happened since September last year, I mean. So that's pretty good. We've all been waiting for this for some time. So Forbidden Crypto crew that already have significant means in crypto, it's time to shoot your money guns. All right, yeah, money guns. We like money guns. Right, my friend? Let me ask my friend here. We like money guns, right? Yeah, we're gonna get the party started with a bang. All right. Good. It's been January was not good for crypto, but as I said, in the last couple days, shit has come to light, and things have gotten better. And that's good, it's good when things get better. So anyway, I hope you're enjoying your grain portfolios, and so we can talk a little bit about the new episode, basically. So Forbidden Crypto podcast, as you might have seen, has released 2 episodes. We have a YouTube channel. It's on Forbidden Crypto podcast. Just search us on YouTube, you're gonna find it. And then it's Joker, the character Joker is our inspiration, so you'll recognize by the thumbnail when you see the Joker. When you type in Forbidden Crypto podcast and you see the Joker, just click and enjoy. Okay, thank you. Alright, so let's go to the topic of the day, which is basically there are 2 basically main things we want to talk about. One is the NFTs that we talked about with Sky in the last episode. If you missed that, go back and watch it right now. Episode 2, NFTs, okay? Once you watch that, come back here and continue here. Thank you. Alright, so today's episode is gonna be about trading. Actually, trading is another big topic in crypto, and it's especially relevant right now because, as you have seen, Bitcoin was really low and now it's good. Same with Ether, and those are basically the 2 main indicators that are correlated with most of the other coins. So if the 2 are going good, then the mid market, or what would you say, the pop culture and crypto also tracks that. So anyway, we're not gonna get into that. Okay, so for trading, And a specific sort of trading, which is called day trading, this is something we're interested in, and we're going to talk a little bit more about that here. Of course, we're going to talk a lot more in the podcast, because this is how we, bring food to the table. So it's going to be pretty interesting. I would start with just saying, or I should say, clarifying why we focus on day trading. It's just because that's the kind of the type of guys we are, or let's say, to be more precise, that's the type of guy I am, and I just like things to happen fast. I don't like to wait for like years or decades to get something going. I kind of gotta see it quickly. So that's, for me, what's interesting in day trading, because you see the results of your work every day, and that's pretty cool. So I'm just gonna, now that we have that out of the way, we're gonna this one is gonna be like very general episode. So we're just gonna cover generally what you need to start trading if you're not already. If you are, then also pay attention, because we're going to talk about some very specific things that you might be doing wrong. First of all, in order to trade crypto, you need a crypto wallet, and there's a lot of discussions, always new wallets coming out, hardware, software, blah blah, yada yada, yalla. Okay, there's a bunch of different ways how to say that. I like yalla. I don't know why. It's just like I don't know. So custodial versus non-custodial, yalla. We're just gonna recommend one here, and if you don't like that one, then use the one you like. But it's your responsibility, okay? Don't call me and say, I want my crypto back, because the first question I'm going to ask you, did you use our wallet? And if you say no, then I'm going to say, the joke's on you, dude. Anyway, so we Le Prestige, recommend actually using a desktop wallet. So what that means is not a browser wallet, not a wallet on your smartphone or something like that, but really have application. That's the wallet, the crypto wallet that you install and set up. You can do it on your PC, on your laptop, those are the two main things, iMac, and I basically recommend Exodus. It's a great wallet. It's secure. You can even use it for trading directly. It's a recommendation. So if you don't have a wallet, get Exodus. If you have a wallet, like one of these fancy ones on your smartphone, get rid of that and get Exodus, okay? Thank you. It's just better. So now that we have the wallet, then the next thing comes to mind is like you have all these, you need to, check out what's the price, what kind of crypto coins you're interested in, what's the current status, and so on. So in in order to do that, there are like a couple of exchanges. Let's say probably the most popular and I would say user-friendly one is the Binance exchange. And once you open your account on Binance, then you can get a wallet there too. So you can store some of your crypto in their wallet as well. But I would recommend all the crypto that you don't want to trade, that they have it in your Exodus wallet, okay? Just trust me on that. It's better. And apart from Binance, the one I would also recommend you to have a look at is the DeFi exchange accounts. DeFi stands for Decentralized Finance, and there's some like really good ones. You can just Google it, DeFi exchanges, and a lot of stuff will show up, and you can basically choose the one that the coin or the coins you're interested in trading is supported by that DeFi exchange, because you're going to use it. And that's basically, those are the basics. We have our wallet, we have an exchange account, Binance or DeFi, and then, or both, actually both. And then we have the third building block we need for setup is some kind of analysis website, and I like coinmarketcap.com. So that's CoinMarketCap, coinmarketcap.com. And this one is really good. You can basically have like different filters based on, you can filter coins based on the network / blockchain they belong to, or you can look at like the 7-day charts, 30-day charts. You can sort by volume, and so all these like useful things that are there, and it's a really good interface. And I would say like a lot of useful things are shown to you easily, so definitely check it out. You don't need an account, just go to the address coinmarketcap.com and you do your analysis. It's really cool. I recommend it. So that's basically like, once you have your wallet, once you have an exchange account, and you got familiar with coinmarketcap.com, you can get the party started, so to say. And in order to do that, you need to buy some crypto, and you can do that in many ways. You can give your friends some dollars or euros, and they can send you the crypto equivalent to your address, or you can go to an exchange office and ask them to do that for you, or you can just simply use your card or like a PayPal account or whatever to buy some crypto like Ether, and basically get it in your wallet. And once you have it in your wallet, then you can start doing stuff with it. Basically, we can start trading, which is what we are interested in here. So I'm just gonna basically roughly say what kind of things we're gonna cover regarding trading, and just for you to get kind of a better sense of where this is going. And actually it's gonna be like pretty technical, pretty kind of, let's say, exact, because we did this seriously. We did this for a living. We don't want to lose money, and we hate when we lose crypto. Okay, we just hate it. Let me tell you how much we hate it. Let me see here. Yeah, and one more. Exactly. So if we lose crypto, then the Joker shows up and gets it back plus interest. Okay, so that's how we roll. And let me just basically tell you. So one of the big topics is going to be technical analysis of altcoins. We're gonna basically talk about how the stock analysis, the technical analysis of stocks can be used, the methods and techniques that are known for decades in that industry can be applied to crypto market, and then how to use coinmarketcap.com website to analyze, do the technical analysis of all coins. Then let's say break down a certain coin, or the behavior, the price behavior of a certain coin over time with the chart patterns from technical analysis of stocks. If you don't know what chart patterns are, also Google it. They're basically patterns for analysis, and they are patterns because they are repeatable behaviors of the price, and this basically is tested and proved throughout the history. So it just works. It's kind of like, if you do programming, you have some like design patterns in programming. So basically like solutions to a certain issue or a set of constraints, I would say. And you just grab it and you don't have to think. You're just like, okay, somebody already thought about what's the best solution for this situation, and I'm just gonna apply it. And the same is here. Basically, chart patterns are a series of pattern behavior of the price over time, and they are the matching of chart patterns to the behavior of coin price is used to predict the behavior in the future or tomorrow or a longer horizon, depending on what you're exactly doing. And that helps, of course, to capitalize on that, because you can, with a certain probability, you can basically say this is this is where it's going, this is where it's heading, and based on that knowledge you can get some money for yourself. And so we're going to talk about the chart patterns and the parallels to technical analysis of stocks, the usage of coinmarketcap.com to apply all that. We're gonna also talk a lot about using artificial intelligence techniques, methods, tools to automate the matching of chart patterns and basically making the software, or let's say, to be more exact, Python scripts do the grunt work for us. And then, of course, how to connect all that into a sort of a decision support system for you, the trader, in order to basically minimize the risk of an error, of a judgment error in trading, which happens a lot and mostly caused by human emotions. So we want to basically automate as much as possible so that we minimize the risk of human emotional errors, because that can be really bad, especially when you start feeling fear, or just also in the other direction, if you're like just feeling I'm smarter than everyone, I can beat the market. That's where you lose a lot of money, and don't do that, okay? Don't. And then we're gonna talk about how to use the trading bots, how to, what kind of types of trading bots there are, how do we evaluate which ones are good, which ones are bad, how to use them on a daily basis in trading, and things like that. It's gonna be really interesting. And then we kind of gonna put it all together and give you like some kind of next steps, some final tips and tricks, how to get yourself set up, and some pointers to more resources where you can find more detailed info about the specific aspect of trading you're interested in. So I hope you get a clearer image, picture is a better word, where this is heading in that sense. Let me check on my snake here, okay? Yeah, she's doing well. How you doing, snake? Good, okay. Yeah, that's gonna be like basically we're gonna drill into all these topics in the next episodes, and I hope you enjoy it, because it's gonna be a lot of fun. So yeah, I also have an interesting a little something new for you here. It's basically a airplane model or replica of the 1944 Messerschmitt Me-262A airplane that was probably the most technically advanced airplane in the Second World War. Unfortunately, they didn't have a chance to use it a lot because the war the war was over before they got all the technical stuff done, because it was very advanced, as I said. And it's a beautiful airplane, totally a beauty. And Messerschmitt is Messerschmitt, yeah, so that was just kind of Deutschland über alles, kind of intermezzo, or whatever you want to call it. Deutschland über alles. Yeah, so I'm gonna do like these kind of trips every now and then. Hope you like them. If you don't, I don't care. It's fine. Yeah, so let me think if we have anything else to cover in this episode. Basically, yeah, I wanted to poll you about what kind of things, or let's say questions you are specifically interested in terms of crypto, day trading, and also the NFTs, which we talked about in the last episode with this is gonna help me basically make sure that I cover all things that are relevant to you, and that way it's gonna be even better for you. So let me know in the comments some specific questions or specific topics that you're in the context of crypto trading or NFTs that you're interested in, and I'm gonna make sure I cover them in the next episodes. Okay. All right. So that's gonna be it for this one. Episode 3 is hereby finished. Le Prestige signing out. Peace out, bitches.